Hi, my name is Chris Raj and I'm doing Bachelor's in Advertising Design. Today I'm going to present about my final year project. The title of my project is Social Anxiety Disorder and the campaign name of my project is How It's Like to Be SAD. SAD is a short form of Social Anxiety Disorder. The purpose of my campaign is to create awareness among people about social anxiety disorder and to give a supportive hand for the people who are suffering from social anxiety disorder. Now I'm going to present about my work that I've done throughout this final year project. Hi, my name is Chris Raj and today I'm going to present about my FYP2 final project and the final deck of my final project. The final deck which I'm going to present now is introduction, big idea, problem statement, storyboard, major process, script, location, talent, IMC, ideation process and the precedent studies. The title that I have chosen for my final year project, which is Social Anxiety Disorder in short form of SAD. Firstly, I am going to present about the introduction of social anxiety disorder. Social anxiety disorder is also known as social phobia. This disorder is characterized by sentiments of fear and anxiety on social situations which causes distress in performing daily activities. Individuals with social anxiety disorder often will be those introverts who are afraid to voice out their anxiety because they are fear negative evaluation from other people. Novel coronavirus pandemics have led all of us to live our lives virtually. Be it work or studies in Malaysia, social anxiety disorder have impacted 13% of the population based on study carried out by Monash University. Social anxiety disorder can wreak havoc on the lives of those who suffer from it. For an example, individuals may decline a job opportunity that requires frequent interaction with new people or avoid going out to eat with friends due to a fear and that their hands will shake when eating or drinking. The campaign that I've chosen for my final project is PSA, and the big idea of my campaign is how it's like to be SAD. SAD is the short form of social anxiety disorder. And the tagline of my campaign is Know Us on Social Anxiety Disorder. Secondly, I'm going to present about my problem statement of my campaign. A study shows that individuals with SAD shouldn't avoid social situations, instead should try to get along slowly. During this COVID-19 pandemic, SAD impact will keep increasing because they can't have good communication with others to avoid the symptoms of SAD. The proposal of my campaign. How it's like to be SAD. Collaborates with Sunway Medical Center, create a public service announcement which is PSA on responsible to educate Malaysians about the social anxiety disorder and to give a supportive hand for the people who are suffering from social anxiety disorder. The major that I've chosen for my final year project is AV, which is audio visual. These are my audio visual storyboard. Now I'm going to present about my major process which I've done for my audio visual. This is the Gantt chart for my audio visual which I followed throughout this semester. I have done script writing, talent scouting, storyboard, budgeting, shooting and the final step which is video editing. For the script writing I took week 5 to week 11 and the talent scouting I have done for 2 weeks which is week 8 to week 9. The storyboard I took 6 weeks, week 6 until week 11, and the budgeting I took 4 weeks, and the shooting I took 3 weeks, and the final one, which is video editing, I took 1 week. This is the storyboard for my audio visual. This is the script for my audio visual. The script is about dramatic and explaining about the daily lifestyle of an adult in social anxiety disorder. The video also explaining about the symptoms of social anxiety disorder and how it affects the adult's daily life. There will be a voiceover throughout this video for explaining about the social anxiety disorder. There will be a boy and a girl will be acting in this video. The location that I've chosen for my audiovisual is 4 locations, which is 2 houses, a park and a cafe, which is Q House. These are my talents of my audiovisual. Now I'm going to present my animatic video, which I've done roughly for my audiovisual.
She feels fear to meet new people. He feels blush, sweaty and fast heartbeat when talking in front of many people. She feels more worse on her anxiety because she didn't get chance to mingle with her comfortable friends psychically. He stays away from the places where there are other people. They feel comfortable when they are alone. Let's understand about their situation and this AD also.
Now I'm going to present my final output for my audiovisual.
She feels fear to meet new people. He feels blush, sweaty and fast heartbeat when talking in front of many people. She feels more worse on her anxiety because she didn't get chance to mingle with her comfortable friends psychically. He stays away from the places where there are other people. They feel comfortable when they are alone. Let's understand about their situation.
Sponsored by Sunway Medical Center.
Now I'm going to present about the integrated marketing communication, which is IMC for my campaign. The first IMC that I've chosen for my campaign is out of home. The second IMC that I've chosen for my campaign is transit. The transit that I've chosen for my campaign is buses. The social media that I've chosen for my campaign is Instagram. Lastly, that I've chosen is print collaterals. These are my precedent studies for my audiovisual. So that's all for my final year project and for my final deck. Thank you.